Okay, so we got the skin clamped onto the door, and I'm going to try and see if I can start forming the edge. I don't have the correct tool for this, so I think it's about 50 quid or so. You can get it home from Frost. But as far as I can work out, I need to knock the edge so that it's past the 90 degree, because it comes at about 90 degree. I need to knock it so that it's past, and then we can start squeezing with something with some protection in the jaws, and hopefully quite thick, so we're not just squeezing on a single point. Right, just been around once with the dolly hammer. Let's just turn it over and check we're not making any damage, and then we'll probably go around again, just form it over a little bit more. The only thing, it was actually open more than 90, and now we're just past 90. We've still got the good edge. I haven't done any creases. Feeling around with my finger, so I think we're okay to carry on. We'll just knock it a little bit further. Still don't think we can put a clamp on there yet. I know I said I was going to be squashing the lip round now, but I wanted to put it onto the car, make sure that it does actually fit in the hole before I commit. It does seem to fit relatively well, so I will continue. I'll remove the door again and squash the edge all the way around with, just going to use, I'm going to use this long clamp so we can put pressure across a wide area. I only put a block of wood on this side of the clamp, and I shall put some rubber or some wood under this side for when I'm actually squashing. And if you look at how that closes, it is fairly parallel. That's the other thing the main tool has, it's parallel jaws closing rather than like a pliers. This is actually fairly parallel at the point of squeeze, shall we say. Actually, better that way. So we'll get on with this. After possibly creating some small marks, you may be able to see that there. I am changing technique and just putting this piece of wood across the top here and then clamping. See if that produces a better result. Okay, all folded over. Time to put some welds on the tops either side, and I'm actually going to put a couple of tack welds rather than spot welds behind the handle and at the bottom. Let's do the welding. Just bring you in on the welds on this door skin. So firstly, to replace the two spots that should be on, we got that one there. I'll linish him off a little bit, but effectively holding the skin there. And we got that one there, which is the second spot. Then we've got this weld up here. We've got some nice weld in the middle there. I had to put some extra on there, which will grind away. And then this side, I'd actually, getting this old skin off, I'd over thinned the door. So all around here there was not enough metal. So it's a bit of a mess. Piled it up with weld to fit it in, you see, and then we'll sculpt it to match with the flap disc. But no problem. Obviously we've got this attached up here as well. It'll all be good in about 15 minutes. Let's have a look at how a door that's been skinned by me, first door I've ever done, looks on a shell that I've been working on for a few years and has had bracing, hopefully holding it in shape. Just take these off. These are what you would normally put over your wings when you're working on your engine. They protect the paintwork and everything. So I've just got a magnetic strip here. Take those both off, and hopefully if I get out of the way you can see how that's fitting. Pretty well lined up. I'm really happy with the gaps, especially if on the back edge. It's nice. Only place we're a little bit tight is there. Currently we haven't got any shims in. We could possibly shim that top hinge. If I do that, we'll bring that closer there. 50-50 on whether a single shim in there is a good idea. Show you the welds that I put on. Now they've been dressed. So here's the seam weld at the top there. And then we've got this where this was all thinned out, and I've put quite a bit of weld on there, and then it's just been dressed back. So yeah, that's looking all right. Got your little tack there to replace the spot weld, and a little tack there to replace the other spot weld. Probably not required, but that's just in place of the seal. It's that way around. Just keeps the door slightly squished up. Stops it flapping. Yeah, you got your swage lines all in line. You see the gap up there and over there. So, you know, I've never done a door before. For me, I'm pretty happy with how that's turned out. Maybe 8%. Got a couple of dents. That's probably the worst one there. There's a tiny one there and a tiny one here. Just, I don't know, if I'd had the right tool maybe I wouldn't have those dents. Maybe I won't have those dents when I do the second skin. We'll see how that turns out, but we'll sort that out with a bit of filler. And yeah, as I say, pretty happy. More just that it fits in the hole, and yeah, the car's looking reasonable. Admittedly, that is pretty much all new panels. Wing A panel, door panel and rear quarter. Okay, thanks for watching guys. I'll catch you on the next one. Quick little point of interest. This door we're using is a replacement door that I've acquired from somewhere. Anyway, it's not quite the right door for this car. It's actually a slightly older door. It's not a problem at all, but I'll show you what the difference is. It's very subtle. So this door is probably from a pre-80 car, pre-84 car. Not sure. It'll be from a Mark III. The difference is it used to have the old style internal door handle that was very simple and just hung down. That door, what it needs is the new style door handle that's at 45 degrees. Look at that door over there. One hole there and one hole there to hold it. And if you look at this door, this hole's here, this hole's missing. So I've just been using my calipers to mark where the new hole needs to go. We'll drill that hole and then we can move this little insert from the old style handle to the new style handle hole. Right then, got one in there from there. Turn that round. Finish pressing it in. basically that should be problem solved. So now we can fit this style from here to here, and that one's been taken out. Right, second skin on second door. Just got a little bit of dowel through there to line up those holes approximately. Got this down as far as it will go, clamped it, same on that side, and then just got to get this flange turned most of the way over. So I'm just using this hammer, a nice wide end to do that, and then we'll clamp it once it's 2/3 of the way over. So I'm just